wanna know.
Hello you guys, it's Nylajai'ne and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as you guys can see by the title, today we are going to be doing something very interesting. I've never seen or heard anything like this. Today I have the pleasure of putting in some clip-in locks. You heard me. So y'all, I have the pleasure of working with Curlsqueen hair, and honestly I will say I am very excited to try this because I've never tried this before and I don't know how this is going to turn out. But let's get into this packaging. It was very cute and I feel like I messed it up a little bit because I was so intrigued, but they had it like tied up with this cute little bow. Look at how cute this packaging is. We have our hair, a little goodie bag, we have more card information, you have a whole return form if you don't like the locks, a silk bonnet, great, a brush, some extra clip-ins. Now this is so interesting to me. I'm actually so intrigued, I'm not gonna lie. I just wanted to better clarify for you guys so that you guys know how to navigate the website when you go on there and order your hair. So this was the 10-inch locks and they were 0.8, I think that's like centimeters wide. But yeah, you guys are able to go in and choose how thick you want the locks to be and how long you want the locks to be, and I think that's very cool. So just to kind of help y'all out, but y'all will be able to see on the website. But for reference, this is the 10-inch 0.8 wide. But why do they look so similar to my locks? Okay y'all, so the whole purpose, you guys can use the clip-ins to either make your hair fuller or longer or both. I feel like this is definitely gonna make my hair fuller. A cute little like lock fro, you know what I'm saying? Full on locks. It has like the clip-ins and everything. Let's get into this video. So here's a better look of like how long the clip-in is. The crazy thing is the only thing y'all are gonna need for this video is I feel like a ponytail holder. Like one of my easiest hairstyles I can give y'all. If y'all are struggling, if y'all are in the starter lock phase, this is for you. We'll start off by saying that my hair is like semi-retwisted to the point where you can see my parts, but obviously y'all can see it's not freshly retwisted. I did freshly retwist it maybe about like a week ago maybe. I can't sit here and tell y'all how y'all hair should look, if it should be fully retwisted, if it doesn't matter, because it's my first time doing this. But maybe if y'all see how it looks with my locks, then I will let y'all know how you would prefer to have your locks already when you're doing this style. And I do believe y'all these are all the same length or all the same, you know, like width or whatever. So y'all can see that right here, I'm genuinely just trying to figure out how to do this because I have not done clip-ins before. So this is me just trying to make sure that I'm stretching the clip-ins long enough so that they fit on my head and that they're staying secure. But later on in the video, y'all will see that I mentioned that I just realized that with the clip-in, you're supposed to like pop it out and then put the comb part in and then clip it. So I was kind of doing it wrong, but it was still secure. But y'all will see later on when I figured out exactly how to do it. if I need to put 2 of these because of my circumference of my head. We're just gonna figure it out. But no, actually I think I want to do that so that way if I want to pull the hair up, you can see my natural locks. You know what I'm saying? Okay y'all, so now that I'm doing this, I will tell y'all that I would suggest having your hair not completely retwisted, because then you can't like clip the combs in, you know what I'm saying? I feel like it's easier for them to go in if your hair is a little puffy at the roots. Why did I just realize that this like pops? Y'all could clearly see that I've never done clip-ins before. But basically, before you like put the comb part in, you open it up, slide it in the hair, clip it. And I just realized that, so. And like I said, y'all, I'm not putting it directly right here because like, you know, in case I want to put it up in a ponytail or something, I don't want the clip-ins to be like seen for real. Like it's open, I push it in and then I clip it. That feels much more secure. Okay y'all, so I think I'm just gonna put like 1 more set in between, cause you know, oh wait no, yeah, cause then I just have like the middle part and you know my crown. So we're gonna do 1 more. Okay, yeah, so I added 2 more clip-ins and they kind of like overlapped each other because you know I have to bring it around. But I'm about to let my locks fall over it. Wow. Y'all, I don't have like no words because how and why does this look so natural? And I told y'all it was gonna give a lock fro. And I love it, y'all. Okay, y'all, let me show y'all like the back and everything. But I feel like I did a good job of like covering it up. Y'all be honest and let me know. I feel like I did a pretty good job. Okay, y'all, let's just try to do some hairstyles. Let's see how versatile we could get. Okay y'all, I also just put it up in a half up, half down. I just wanted to see what I can do, and this is so freaking cute. I will say I took 1 out just because it was just like, I wanted a little bit less full for the half up, half down, but overall. And I still have 1, 2, 3 clips left over. Okay, let's see. And then I was also looking at the party, y'all. I literally just have to flip it over. And like I said, y'all, since I didn't add the clip like all the way to the front, you can't even tell. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Okay, let's do the other side. I just want to try 1 more. I'm gonna try my little bunnies. And y'all, it's my locks and the clip-ins that's in this bun. I don't even know what I'm grabbing because it literally all feels so natural, just crazy. It looked so natural. But okay, you guys, that was it for the video. Let me know what you guys think. Honestly, this is like the most fun I've had making a video and trying something new, because genuinely it was my first time ever doing something like this. I feel like I said that in every video because I'm always trying something new, but this is something I've just never seen before. So it was fun trying it out. So honestly, I'd say it's worth the investment. Y'all should definitely invest in this hair. I will put more product details up here if I have not already, and I will have more product details in the link in my bio. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what y'all think. How does it look? And what else do y'all want to see? So I will see y'all in the next video. Bye guys. Thank y'all for watching.